All right, let's have a look outside. We've got actually some snow falling out there right now. Downey would be happy about that. Into Rangeley, into Bethel, for example, as well, into Kingfield. And then we have some showers down to the south. So far, the precipitation hasn't been hitting the ground very much, but this round certainly is. And again, it's in Kingfield and Eustis and Rangeley at the moment. For many of us, though, this will be a period of light rain as it moves through over the next couple of hours. Well, that was a better idea when I had it a few hours ago to show you the Sugarloaf camera live. Brian, can you picture a better end to my tenure here than missing the almanac and then doing that? So pretty on brand. All right, here we go from the northwest. That precipitation will be moving in, and it will be generally light. But if you're headed out tonight, just be aware there will be some showers around, especially between 7 and 10. Eventually, that rain gets into parts of down East Maine around 11 o'clock tonight. And you would think in that position that it would be out of here really, really quickly. But it actually takes several hours into the early morning hours to get from here to just offshore by 6 or so in the morning tomorrow. So we left that shower chance in on Saturday morning, but I sense that a good part of the state, most of us will wake up and it will be dry, but just partly cloudy. And then we burn those clouds off. We actually have a nice day tomorrow. Temperatures in the upper 50s, some low 60s over southern Maine. The mountains will stay in the 40s after another half inch or so of snow that they're likely to get tonight. And then we go into Sunday. We kind of do it in the opposite direction on Sunday, where we start with some sun, but from southwest to northeast, clouds come in. The models disagree on how long it takes for us to cloud up, but I'd say by the afternoon, most of the state is clouded up. Let's say 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock right before sunset. Then our next system moves in on Sunday night. That's a period of rain for most of us, some snow in the mountains, a break on Monday morning, and then another round of rain Monday afternoon and into Monday night. So we've got kind of a 1-2 punch of rain. It's not that much total, though. Looking at about 1 inch total, maybe a little bit more in a few spots. The drought situation obviously continues as it will. Most likely, I would think, until the spring. So there we are. I thought about it as a joke, Brian, doing a one-day forecast, because after that, it's beyond my purview. But I also was like, well, people probably actually want to know what's going on here. It's down into the 40s through next week. And if you look at a day like Friday, a high temperature of 42, that means most of the day is spent in the 30s.
Yep.
So your beach walk's about to get a little bit harder.
Yeah, and spent inside.
Yeah.
We're going to spend.
Yeah.
All right, Keith, thanks.